Welcome back, folks. Flipknot here. Today we're running a couple errands. T-minus 48 hours before I fly out for LA. Got a couple things I gotta get done. Got a little surprise in my backpack. Dropped something off to my good old buddy Mr. Shaytree, and gotta run to the post office. Part of the surprise. So Josh is up at the ride factory working on FXR as always. So I'm gonna go drop off my old laptop to him so he can take it with him to Niagara Falls on the Goldwing trip. It's hopefully he can make some videos, or it's just gonna end up being a data dump place for him. That sounds funny. But my old 2011 MacBook Pro still works perfectly fine. The only problem with it is that it's got 1 gig of freaking video, which does not bode well with most editing softwares. One thing I found out about Final Cut Pro is that it'll adjust to the computer you have, which I find amazing. So when I downloaded Final Cut Pro on my old MacBook, it said, hey, you can't handle the new one, but I got the old one for you. How many programs have you ever heard do that for you? Popped in a couple of different video files on there, took a look. It seemed to be working pretty fine. You know, like I wouldn't do anything extensive on there. I wouldn't do too much VFX or anything like that. But it works. It'll cut, it'll splice, it'll put things together. You can probably put a title on it. Should be good. So I'm going to drop off my old laptop to good old Mr. Shaytree. And then the post office is right down the street from there. Speaking of going to the mechanics, I got a question for everybody. As much as I know everybody loves the new exhaust, which really isn't an exhaust, it's just it pretty much all it is just a cosmetic accessory. It does nothing. Straight pipes. Sounds great. I love it. I am considering putting the old pea shooters back on, primarily for the fact of video purposes. I don't think it drowns me out too much. There's a way to keep it quiet, but when accelerating, it gets really loud. I don't exactly have a problem with that being a thing, but the fact of the matter is that it might be just a little bit easier for me in the end game. Like if the pipes were just a little bit longer, but the cosmetic tips were just a couple of another like 3 inches now, so maybe it was a total of like 6 inches. Regardless, if it was longer, it would put the exhaust further back instead of right underneath me where the microphone is. So then that way it wouldn't be as big of a problem as it kind of has been. So let me know what you think. I haven't decided yet. I'm almost at the ride factory. We'll pick this back up over there.
What's that?
We're about to find out.
Oh, cut yourself. Nice. I like them. Good. Want some, Shelby?
I'm gonna just put these in your toolbox. Got the laptop in my backpack.
Oh, do you?
Yep. Let's see if he hurts himself. I'm running to the gas station. You guys want anything?
I'm good.
Josh, you sure?
Yeah, I actually got another drink in there.
All right. All right, now that I got my stickers in, I'm running to the post office so I can grab some envelopes to send them out to my Patreons. It is literally the least I can do for you guys. And I wish I could do more. We'll get there soon. Good job. Boy, it's hot. 89 degrees. Ugh. Sweating bullets. For all you people who are always like, that's not cold. Well, you don't know what hot is either, so. Sweating like a lady of the night during the day. Ooh, girl. Ooh, look at that beaver. What kind of motorcycle shop is there's a bunch of Jap stuff.
Yes.
That guy went all the way home and then got an Uber back and forgot his keys at home, and now he's got to borrow my bike.
Yeah. No, I mean, yeah, I did it.
Yeah.
So yes, I fix my bike and go to have the inaugural start right now after rolling my exhaust together. Take an Uber back here after dropping my car off at home and realize that, yeah, I left my keys back at the house. So
He also never tried to make sure that it was working properly either.
Well, I have faith.
Says the guy who says do everything 3 times.
Twice.
Bye, have fun.
You guys ate this.
Beer and pizza? Beer and pizza.
Beer and pizza.
Going to New World?
Beer and pizza?
Yeah.
That's not fucking bread and butter.
I know. You don't get to look this good without beer and pizza. Why you gotta take the fun out of it, Mike?
The pipe almost cracked off.
You'd expect anything else?
Rate my weld. We're weld porn. Hashtag weld porn.
New World, right?
Yeah. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, now I'm taking my time.
How old are your plugs? Huh? How old are they? Oh, I've never changed them.
80% of that motorcycle's from 1986.
Well, that's all I know. They're going to the bike.
That's what I'm saying. Most of this motorcycle's from 1986. Even his vintage Huffy pad. And you were yelling at me. What would I do without my Shelby?
I've never changed them. It's run less than good.
Come on, hurry up, I'm in a hurry. Welcome back to this. 20 minutes later, after rushing me to get ready because he's in a hurry.
Just because it took longer doesn't mean I'm not in a hurry. Okay? Out. Later, man. Thanks, Shelby. Later, guys.
Is your gas on, the petcock? Why am I telling him what to do? Whoa! Not this again. I'm getting away from the possessed motorcycle. Third time's the charm, right, Josh?
What? Come on, let's go, dude.
Everyone goes far out of their way to help you today, and you're still being a giant baby about it.
Yeah, I'll be a giant baby. I was ready. I'm on the road. I'm ready to go, dude. You're over here dicking around.
I'm trying to make you shut up. I'm tired of hearing this goddamn voice. I'm trying to play some music.
Hello.
I'm louder and faster than you, buddy. Now that the eternity of waiting for this asshole to fix his piece of crap, broke piece of shit, we're finally getting drinks and pizza. Taking forever. Oh, ooh, Mr. Tough Guy. Is he gonna break his bike again? Yep, it broke again. Seriously?
Oh, your brake is locking up again.
Oh.
I've got a pair of pliers. You don't have any? Do you have a pair of pliers on you? Ah, look to the rescue. Thought we were out of trouble yet.
I was just saying, you finally got done breaking your shit. Put on the safety clickers. You might want to hold on to those. It happens all the time with this guy. It's always something. Alright folks, as I quite literally ride into the sunset, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, catch you all in the next one. Whoop.